Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this quick video about gold. So let's get started. I have only a few minutes, so I'm going to show what's happening and run. All right, so gold H4 chart, this is what I started from here, that we're going to go for this wave 5, the blue count, right? So this wave 1 and 2 black count are finished. Then we're supposed to be going for wave 3, so we did very close. So from here, we're supposed to be dropping in wave 4. So I made a couple of charts. When it came down here, I said, okay, the wave 4 started, and then this is how it is going to end up, right? Most likely. Sometimes it just, one drop, like a straight drop, like for example here, straight drop and then go back up again, straight, right? But most likely in wave 5, I noticed that, wave 4 make, like a flat. So it says, okay, wave 1, and then ABC2. Either this is wave 4 and then we're going to go straight up, or we're going to go up, come down again one more time, make it ABC like a flat, and then go to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. Look at that. This is what happened today, right? So we went up there and then we came back down here, exactly where I said there's going to come down. And now I think there's going to go up, right? So I made the new chart, and this is how it is, and to be ready for this. There's already start to bounce, right? So this is the one that we have to, I forgot to notify here, right? What the heck is that? But we need to clarify, clear that, right? As soon as we clear that, we will be going hopefully to the upside. My other version of the charts means the Renko chart. I had this like this one. I made this chart that, like it's going to be making a flat here, right? From here, A, B, C, A, B, C, and then we'll go to the upside. So this leg and this leg is finished, like you can see here, right? So and there, wave 4 is a lot of like it's a big, like a problematic wave, right? It's very choppy, even very ranging kind. So you can see here, went up and down, and then up and down, and then all of that. But I think that this is wave 4 is kind of like finish here now, and then we probably gonna be going from here to the upside. So this is for the food for tonight, right? And take it from there. So this is how this is now my before chart, that this is the setup, and it should be staying above this and then go to the upside, right? So take it from there, and your entries coming, 500 box size or 200, right? Okay, so this is it for now. I gotta run, so I'll talk to you guys later. And then if I have some other setups and yen pairs, Aussie pairs, I'll post on the Telegram. All right. So this is I just wanted to show you the regular box candlestick from the Japanese candlestick is this, the H4 chart. This is how it is, and we might go here, and then we might be able to go even further to the upside. Time will tell. But at least for now, I think that the target we set this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, it's like around here somewhere, right? 61%. Sometimes it goes to 78 or 100%. Yeah, but very close to this area. And then this line here is 34.14. That's an SLR level as well. So maybe we're gonna be going for touching to touching that area, right? All right. So let me run, and then I'll talk to you guys later.